To reconcile a bank account, go to the Banking menu and select Reconcile Bank Account. Choose the bank account which you want to reconcile. Enter in the total withdrawals for period and the total deposits for period to calculate the ending balance. Enter the ending date, then select Start Reconciling. These transactions are taken from the banking register and posted bank transaction and take the unreconciled transactions. First, select Match Transactions to match transactions in the system and transactions taken from the bank. Transactions with a green checkmark mean they were successfully matched. And transactions with a red checkmark mean there is a mismatched transaction. We need to adjust it. If you see a transaction that is error, you can click Save for Late and go to the wrong transaction and edit it. Then go back to the Reconcile Bank Account menu and continue to reconcile. You can use Delete and start the process again to delete previous matches and start matching again. After adjusting the transactions with the wrong data, click Match Transactions again. If there are mismatched transactions and you can't find the error, you can use Adjust and Finish to create an adjustment. Unmatched transactions will be displayed here and you can choose to adjust or ignore it to complete. Click Make Adjusting Entry to make an adjustments. You have two choices. Either create a transaction to the system to match the transaction on the bank or adjust a transaction available in the system to match the transaction on the bank. Next, choose another account to create a double entry with this bank account. Select Save. If you want to adjust an existing transaction in the system to match, you must first select Adjust the transaction and select the transaction you want to adjust in the Transactions field. Next, select the date and enter withdrawal or deposit. When you're done, select Save. You can also select Leave it uncleared to ignore. Continue execution until all transactions are matched. Continue execution until all transactions are matched. When all is matched, we can finish. If you've accidentally reconciled the wrong transactions or made a mistake during the reconciliation process, you can undo a reconciliation by clicking Undo Last Reconciliation. Go to Reports menu. We have two reports related to Bank Reconciliation: Bank Reconciliation Summary and Bank Reconciliation Detail. In Bank Reconciliation Detail report, first select Bank Account, then select Statement Ending Date and select Filter. Select Back to Report List. Select Bank Reconciliation Summary Report. We also first select a bank account, then select the statement ending date and select the filter.